Hey, it's Edward Spaghettward, Eddie Spaghetti if you're feeling friendly. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. So lately, I've been recording a whole bunch of stuff I've been doing this entire weekend. Today is now Sunday the 24th of July. You can see that, is it focusing? Maybe, maybe not, but it's the 24th of July. And on Friday, I went to the music festival at Fountain Square, downtown Cincinnati, and then I went out to eat with my friend. The following day, it was my brother's birthday, so we partied. I woke up at 1 in the afternoon today. I feel very unproductive, so the most productive thing I can do is share what I've been doing with you guys. So, all right. Sun kind of hitting today. I'm a melanated king and whatnot.
Hi.
Hey.
So, I got the camera. Alright.
Right now we're on our way to Soul Secrets, which is this new soul food place. Mind if I record?
Part 2.
It's giving what?
Mariah Carey Part 2.
So we're down here, downtown Cincinnati and whatnot. We're on 12th and Main. That's what we just came off of, the connector. I've never been downtown where it's like so live with live music. Like there's some dude playing guitar over there. He sound real good. I'm pretty sure the song that they're playing in the background, just the two of us, is definitely copyrighted. So I don't want to get shot down on YouTube because they're playing it in the background. But downtown looks so beautiful right now. Okay, so slight change of plans, y'all. Soul Secrets has like a 30-minute wait. Not going. I'm not going. So me and my friend are gonna head over to the Eagle, another restaurant here in Cincinnati. So down here at the Eagle, a 40-minute wait. I'm not gonna wait that long for food, so I'm gonna try to find somewhere else. It'll be a surprise. All right, come on. And it sure was a surprise, cause like, we went to this place called Abigail Street. So hey, yeah, guys, we just tried this little hole in the wall called Abigail Street. It's right here on Vine Street. We had lamb spaghetti and some form of broccoli. I can't remember the specifications on it, but it was really good. And it was really good. I was surprised when I first walked in there. I didn't know it was that fancy of a restaurant, or I wouldn't have been wearing, athletic wear, but it's like that sometimes. I have no idea where we're gonna head now though. Let's see. So after we ate at Abigail Street, we went to the music festival. And here's some footage from that.
Perfect screaming right now.
1 2 1 2 1 2.
This is my first time trying to vlog, and like I got a lot of good footage yesterday, but I'm not sure how today will pan out because my entire family, or a lot of my family, is going to be at the house today. I don't want to catch anybody in the camera that doesn't want to be in the camera. So I just came to Walmart, got a lap desk portable workstation. It says up to 17.3 inches, which is the exact length of my computer. So yeah, I just bought a tripod, I bought a microphone, and a new case for this phone that I'm using to record all these videos. It's so hard to go by like the school supply section and not buy anything because I want school supplies so bad. Like I'm so anxious for the start of the new school year. But I gotta wait till tax-free weekend, which is August 4th and 5th, I believe. Nah, not 4th and 5th, but August 6th and 7th. So this is the part of the vlog where someone says something very profound, but I have no idea what to say. So you guys just have fun watching me work on stuff. I watched Maya Beatrice for inspiration, but I also looked around YouTube a whole bunch. I was on Google Docs too, working on a script or two. I didn't really get anything done, but it looks like I'm working hard. I feel like I just put it right in front of you. So I woke up at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, like I told you guys before, and what I had for breakfast, don't judge me. Check it out, look. I know it's 2 donuts and coffee, all right? But who feels like making breakfast at 2 o'clock in the afternoon? Not me. Ooh, that coffee was bad. Oh, that coffee was bad. I haven't practiced in like a week. I have an audition coming up in the winter this year for Miami University. I've been trying to practice more often, but this is the first time I'm practicing this weekend. Ugh. I've been trying to find new productivity tools for all of the students on this channel because I know a few of you have asked me about which productivity tools I use to get me through the year. I've actually been experimenting with them. I like Obsidian, and right now I'm downloading Notion. So the thing about Notion is that it's very overwhelming to me because as soon as it says like get started, there's like so many options for me to choose from and I don't know where to start. So getting started is the hardest part for me. If you like aesthetic note-taking and having like a second brain on your computer filled with everything you think about, this will be really good for you because there's so many facets to it. But one thing about Notion is that it's just too much for me. So it might work for you, but I'm not really a big fan of it. I actually prefer to use Obsidian, which is another note-taking software. I find it really useful because like the tutorial is way easier to follow than Notion's. And plus, it has a dark mode automatically. So, you know, I'm drawn to that. I'm not really a big fan of light mode things. They burn my eyes. But Obsidian is a very good alternative for me. So if you do like having a very intricate thing to work through, Notion would be great for you. But if you like the simplicity and note-taking, if you're more about function than fashion, then I believe Obsidian is the right choice for you. One thing about Obsidian that I've noticed is that they have things called vaults. And vaults are pretty much folders on your computer, and like it creates mind maps for you. The thing about Obsidian that I like is the coding aspect of it. So when you put something in Obsidian, it creates a mind map for you to click on. I'm actually going to share 2 tutorials in the bio of this video. I'm going to give you guys a Notion tutorial and an Obsidian tutorial in the description below. So check them out. And yes, Notion and Obsidian both have free versions. You don't have to pay for them. But if you would like to pay, feel free to, but I don't. I'm broke. It's like just one thing about having so many things open like Notion and Obsidian at the same time, and also Adobe Premiere Pro, is that my computer will start to run like cheese. And I'm not a big fan of that. And also it's like cool stuff like this where I can like double bracket and then insert another document title into my stuff, like vlogging tips. I can put under the what the heck under the what the heck document, and then I can just go to my graph view here, and then they're connected. So I know exactly where to go from what. If I open up this random thing and I just say, oops, what the heck, and here's the hyperlink to it, I just click that, I go to what the heck. But then after I'm done with what the heck, I can just go to vlogging tips. And yeah, I need those. I definitely need those. Hey, I really hope you enjoyed the vlog. That's pretty much it. The biggest part about making this vlog that's important for me is the fact that you guys are watching me become a music teacher. I'm going to college for music education, and I want to document every step of the way. And I appreciate you stopping by to come watch me do that. Hopefully you'll stop by for more.